Oh! Spinning back elbow drops him. Morrison somehow still alive. My goodness, I thought that ended it. Zumagul rushes.
Yeah, the ref was seconds away from stopping that. It looked like he wanted to.
Zumagul moves past the legs here. He's gonna try to finish it now. Big right hands. Morrison won't go away, so he's gonna sit back on the choke.
He's got the anaconda in.
Anaconda's in, trying to cinch it up.
It looks like he's gonna go to.
Take a look at the replays of the action. Boom! How incredible was that? Put that one on the highlight reel.
And I'm calling my shot, UFC. Let's go. Dana White Contender Series or like short notice, 180, 170 or 185. I'm ready. I'm here. I'm in America. Let's go.